Hello and welcome to this course. I'm Amir and I'm glad to with you in this course. This online interior design course will teach you how to design a kitchen the better way like a professional, whether you use a laptop or PC. This interior design course is designed to teach you the most important tips about kitchen design with 3ds Max, even if you have little to no experience with interior design, to help create profitable kitchen design. While there are plenty of digital interior design courses that focus on specific styles, it's hard to find a comprehensive course like this one, which is for beginner to advanced designer. This course is designed for all levels of interior designers who want to improve their skills, have better renders, and make money with their designs, especially great for any visualizer. In this course, you will learn and understand how 3ds Max works and what things you need to start your design. Know about materials and appliances used in kitchen, and you should know about. Follow our practical sample test design to become a master kitchen designer. Use composition, lighting, and proper settings to take better renders. Regardless of what your level of experience is, this in-depth course is designed to provide you with everything you need to take your design skills to the next level. Whether you prefer design your home or redesign a new home, design kitchen, it's absolutely important. By getting these skills, you can make your house beauty and sell easier, so you can turn your passion into a career. Unlike other interior design classes that are more limited in PowerPoint, this complete course teaches you how to take dimensions in house and turn it in software and get top-notch render. You will learn about 3ds Max settings, including how to have a rear render. You will use materials and master how to prepare, compose, and light a scene. You will even learn how to take grid render with a low settings laptop. By the end of this master course, your confidence as an interior design will show. You will have a thorough understanding of kitchen design.